Hi guys, it's Miss Debbie from the Appomattox Regional Library System, and this week we're going to do some fun fall shirts in honor of Halloween. This is a really simple process called bleach dyeing. To start with, you're going to want to fill a spray bottle or a cup with a mixture of half bleach and half water, just a 1-to-1 ratio. You don't really need to measure. Next, we're going to go ahead and add some peroxide, a whole container, to a medium-sized container of water. This is for rinsing our shirts and stopping the bleaching process. Now we're going to move on to bleaching our shirts. First, you want to lay your stencil flat on your garment. Make sure it's completely flat and touching the ground behind it. Next, we're going to bleach that. You just want to spray a bit of bleach at a time. You can always add more. You cannot take away, so just spray a little bit at a time. Make sure to turn your little nozzle thing to try to control your flow. And when you're happy with it, go ahead and rinse it in your rinse water. I'm just showing you the process one more time. I put my stencil down and then I sprayed carefully. And then I wanted to add a little bit of character to the bottom and top, so I sprayed a little bit more. And that's my second shirt. Now I'm going to show you how to hand do your bleach dye. So put a stencil down and then start carefully tracing your letters with bleach. This will really help your letters pop and hopefully make it to where you don't lose any of the detail on the stencil you're using. You can also hand draw with this method. This is a really fun and easy way to bleach dye, and it makes really cute products. Once you're happy with how that stencil looks, you can move your next one if you're using two different ones and combine them to make one cohesive look. And once again, I'm just going in with my brush and a little bit of bleach water and bleaching my shirt. When doing this, you do want to make sure that you don't use non-chlorine bleach, because that really won't work, and it'll make it to where it doesn't want to accept the regular bleach either, so it keeps it from dyeing. Now I'm going to show you just where I added the two processes together. I started by spray bleaching my big stencil, and then I just hand drawed in the rest of the pieces, and then I decided to do a little bit more hand work. So I grabbed another stencil and just carefully hand drawed in the stencil on both sides of the Stay Spooky. I hope you guys like this craft, and I hope you have a great weekend.